Hi everyone! Grabe, sobrang na-miss ko kayo. And it's already 2023 and meron naman tayo panibagong video ngayong araw. And ang ating yung video is for grade 7, second quarter. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta and samahan nyo pa din ako ang ating mini classroom dito sa YouTube sa 2023. Sobrang na-miss ko kayo, sobrang na-miss ko gumawa ng video, guys. Ayan. And ayun na nga, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, please huwag mo muna kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like tong video, and of course, i-hit mo na din yung notification bell down below. Ayan. Para syempre palagi kang updated whenever na magpo-post ako ng math tutorials dito sa YouTube. And syempre, pwede nyo din akong i-follow sa aking mga social media platforms in here. Ayan. Sa ating Facebook page and at sa ating TikTok kasi updated din tayo dyan para hindi talaga kayo maiwan sa mga tutorials na ina-upload ko. So, ayun lang, 2023, more learnings, ayan. And syempre, simulan na natin to right after the intro. Okay, so our lesson for this video is all about illustrates and solving linear equation in one variable. Okay, so kung kayo ay grade 8 na, is familiar na kayo dito, pero itong lesson nito is for grade 7. So, meaning to say, kailangan matutunan nyo to para pagdating nyo ng grade 8 is madali na lang sa inyo ang mga ganitong klase na lesson. Okay, so this is an algebra. Alright? So, ano nga ba kapag sinabi nating linear equation? So, when we say linear equation, it is an equation expressed in the form ax plus b is equal to 0. Okay? Where a and b are integers or numbers and x is a variable. So, palagi niyong tatandaan that the degree of each variable in a linear equation is always equal to 1. Meaning to say, kapag ba degree, it's all about the exponent, right? Palaging equal to 1 yan. Diba? Kasi kapag ka naging 2 yan, it is not a linear equation. It's a quadratic, right? And a linear equation, when we graph it, it is simply a line. It's either horizontal or vertical. Okay? And isa pa, palagi din nating tatandaan, a linear equation has only one solution. Bakit sinabing one solution lang siya? Kasi we are talking about linear equation in one variable. Isa lang talaga yung solution niya. When we say solution, ito yung number or pinaka-value ng variable na kapag sinubstitute natin sa equation is dapat magiging true yung statement or magiging totoo. Okay? Or tama. Okay? So, we have here our example. These are an example of a linear equation. We have 3x plus 2 is equal to 7. Pansinin nyo, isa lang talaga yung variable. Ayan, kaya nga meron tayong linear equation in one variable. Okay? And when we say equation, meaning to say, we are talking about an equal sign. Okay? Kapag ka hindi yan equal sign, hindi yon equation. Okay? We have also x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, y is equal to 8. So, those are the examples of a linear equation. And in this video, syempre, tuturuan ko din kayo on how to find the solutions of a linear equation in one variable. So, keep on watching. And nga pala, nakalimutan kong i-mention, right after this discussion is, i-discuss ko naman sa inyo yung linear inequalities in one variable. Pero syempre, dito muna tayo mag-focus kasi ayoko naman na nalilito kayo kasi love na love ko kayo. Ayan, kaya nga nag-explain tayo dito palagi ng mas maayos. Okay? So, ayan na. Ready na ba kayo? Okay, so we're gonna solve a linear equation in one variable. And when we are going to solve a linear equation, what are we going to do is to find the value of the variable na meron sa isang linear equation, okay? And dapat kapag nahanap natin yung value niya, when we check it to the equation, dapat ay maging true yung statement or maging totoo. So, don't worry kasi ituturo ko yan sa inyo step by step. So, keep on watching lang mga bunso. Okay? So, we have here our example number 1. We have 2y minus 6 is equal to 24. Anyway, pwede tayong gumamit dito ng addition property of equality or pwede din naman yung traditional method, yung transpose. Magta-transpose tayo para makapag-solve tayo to the other side of equation and maiwan yung variable lang dito sa the other side. So, di ba we are gonna look for the value of y? And kapag nahanap natin yon, that is already the solution. Okay? So, we have here 2y minus 6 is equal to 24. What are we going to do is, iwanan lang natin dito si 2y kasi wala siyang kagaya. Ayan. Diba? And si y yung hahanapin natin. Okay? So, itong si 24 tsaka si negative 6, diba, they are the constant. Therefore, dapat lang sila ay magsama. Okay? So, si 24, ilagay mo dyan. Alright? And si negative 6, dahil ililipat natin siya sa kabilang ng equal sign, or we are going to transpose that to the other side of the equation, itong negative magiging plus 6. Okay? So, alam nyo na yan. Kapag naman ginamit nyo yung addition property of equality, ganito lang mga bunso. Add lang kayo dito. Wait lang. Add lang kayo dyan ng plus 6, and then dito ay plus 6. Ayan. And then, dahil ito ay negative 6 plus 6 na, magiging 0 na yan. So, ika-cancel nyo yan. And then, meron ka ng 2y is equal to 24 plus 6. Same lang dito sa traditional method na ita-transpose. Okay? So, tinuro ko lang din sa inyo para syempre may idea kayo kung saan kayo mas comfortable gamitin or kung saan mas advisable ng mga teachers nyo. Alright? So, we have to simplify 24 plus 6, that is 30. And then, dahil meron pang kasamang 2 si y, what are we going to do is to eliminate 2. Kasi si y lang naman yung hinahanap natin. And how are we going to do that? Of course, divide both sides by what are we going to eliminate? Dahil si 2 nga yun, therefore, divide yan sa 2. Alright? And then, cancel. Y is equal to 30 divided by 2, that is 15. Alright, therefore, our solution is equal to 15. Now, how are we going to know if yung nakuha nating solution is correct? Siyempre, we are gonna check it. How are we going to check it? Kunin lang natin yung original na linear equation. Ayan. Ito ang kanina nating equation. We have 2y minus 6 is equal to 24. We are just going to substitute the value of y to the equation kapag mag-check. So, 2 times 15 minus 6 is equal to 24. And then, just simplify hanggang sa makuha nyo na yung sagot. 2 times 15, that is 30. Minus 6 is equal to 24. 30 minus 6 is equal to 24. Equal 24. Are they correct? Yes, they are because they are equal. Therefore, the solution of 2y minus 6 is equal to 24 is y is equal to 15. That is the solution. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple. Now, we have our example number 2. X over 3 is equal to 10. Okay, kapag ganyan mga bunso, huwag kayong malilito kasi madali lang yan. What are we going to do is to do the cross multiplication since ang ating operation is a division. How are we going to do that? Maglagay lang tayo dito ng denominator ng 1. Okay, and then cross multiply. X times 1. Of course, that is x. Okay. And then, ito din, i-multiply din natin. Ayan. So, 3 times 10. That is 30. And, as simple as that, nakuha na natin yung solution ng ating linear equation x over 3 is equal to 10. And that is x is equal to 30. Ganun lang kasimple. And how are we going to check that? Siyempre, kagaya nung sinabi ko kanina, we are just going to substitute the value of x to the equation. Dahil we have x over 3 is equal to 10. Siyempre, ano ba ang value ng x na nakuha natin? We have 30. So, substitute nyo yan dito sa x na nandito. So, 30 over 3 is equal to 10. And 30 divided by 3, that is 10, is equal to 10. So, ayan. Are they the same? Yes, they are. Therefore, nakuha natin yung correct solution, and that is x is equal to 30. Ganun lang kasimple. And now we have our example number 3. Is x is equal to 7 a solution to the equation x plus 3 is equal to 5? So kapag ganito yung situation, mga bunso, huwag kayo manilito kasi madali lang to at kaya nyo to. What are we going to do is to just substitute the value of x given to the equation given. Okay, kunin natin yan. X plus 3 is equal to 5. And then ano ba ang value ng x? Ayan, hindi na tayo pinahirapan. Binigyan na tayo ng value ng x. And that is 7. So substitute. 7 plus 3 is equal to 5. And then just simplify. 7 plus 3, that is 10, is equal to 5. Is 10 equal to 5? Of course not. Therefore, 7 is not a solution to the equation x plus 3 is equal to 5. Hindi ito solution. Ayan. Now, dahil hindi siya solution nitong x plus 3 is equal to 5, what is the solution of that equation or linear equation in one variable? E di gagawin natin yung kagaya ng ginagawa natin kanina. So, x plus 3 is equal to 5. And then, x is equal to 5. So, transpose positive 3, magiging negative 3. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Ayan. So, ngayon, meron na tayong x is equal to 2. Let's check. Okay? So, dahil x is equal to 2, we have 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Yes. Are they equal? Yes, they are. Therefore, si 2 ang solution ni x plus 3 is equal to 5 and not 7. Hindi si 7. Okay, ganun lang kasimple. And now, we have here our example number 3. And we have 3 times 2x minus 1 is equal to x minus 5. Okay, so what are we going to do here first is to distribute this one. Ayan. I-distribute natin. And kung napapansin nyo, baka sabihin nyo, ma'am, di ba, we are talking about one variable. Bakit dalawa yung variable? Yet, parehas naman silang x, tama? Therefore, isa pa din yan. Okay, kasi pwede natin silang pagsamahin later. So, wag kayo malilito mga bunso. Kapag yan ay naging y, x and y, meaning to say, that is linear equation in two variable. But ito ay parehas x, kaya one variable pa din siya. Okay? And then, distribute lang, multiply, 3 times 2x, that is 6x. 3 times negative 1, that is negative 3, is equal to x minus 5. Okay? And then, what are we going to do is to combine the like terms. Sino ba ang kagaya ni 6x sa kabila? Si x, tama? Therefore, kailangan silang magsama. Okay? Dito sa left side. Okay? Si negative 3, dapat kasama siya ni negative 5 dito sa right side. Diba? And then right after that, pagsamahin na natin, 6x. Si x, ilagay mo siya dito sa kabila. Dahil ito ay positive dito, magiging negative x. Okay? And then, si negative 5, kopyahin lang yan, kaya hindi pinalitan ng sign kasi hindi naman natin siya inilipat sa kabila. Si negative 3, kailangang ilipat sa kabila ni equal sign, and that is negative, therefore, magiging positive 3 yan. Okay, and then, you are just going to combine them, or simplify. 6x minus x, dahil automatic may 1 yan, therefore, we have 6 minus 1, and then we have 5x is equal to negative 5 plus 3, that is negative 2. So, kailangan aralin nyo din dito mga bunso, yung rule of integers, okay? Para hindi kayo magkamali kasi isang mali nyo lang sa sign, mali na lahat, okay? Magpapaulit-ulit lang kayo. So, dahil meron pang kasamang 5 si x, we are going to eliminate that by simply dividing both sides by 5. And then cancel, x is equal to negative 2 over 5. Therefore, our solution is negative 2 over 5. And medyo mahaba yung pag-check dito kasi we have fraction. Okay, so in-erase natin yung solution natin kanina kasi medyo mahaba yung checking nito. Ayan, pero gagawin pa din natin para sa inyo, para hindi kayo malito. And ito nga ay fraction, so mahaba-haba to. Kasi marami din talaga tayong given sa equation. So, kunin natin yan. Okay, checking. And then, just substitute the value of x, which is negative 2 over 5, sa lahat ng x na nandito. Okay, so we have 2 times negative 2 over 5 minus 1, ayan, equals negative 2 over 5 minus 5. Okay? Then, syempre, just simplify. Baba muna natin si 3 kasi kailangan natin unahin yung nasa loob ng parentheses. And then, 2 times negative 2 over 5, that is negative 4 over 5 minus 1. Diba? So, kapag ganyan, ang imumultiply nyo lang ay itong whole number and the numerator. And then, copy the denominator. Equals negative 2 over 5 minus 5. Ang gagawin natin dyan, syempre, is to get the LCD kasi automatic may 1 yan. Therefore, ang ating denominator is 5 and 1. Kaya naman, ang ating LCD is 5. Diba? And then, isolve nyo siya na para kayong nagsusubtract ng fraction. Okay, so dito sa algebra, kailangan talaga memorize natin yung mga basics. The rule of integers, fractions, ayang mga yan. Okay? So, 5 divided by 5, that is 1, times negative 2, that is negative 2. 5 divided by 1, that is 5, times negative 5, that is negative 25. Okay? And then, dito naman tayo, syempre, ganun din. Ayan, automatic may 1 yang ating denominator. So, ang ating LCD is 5, automatic. Okay? And then, kunin lang natin ulit yung magiging numerator natin para lang tayo nagsasolve ng fraction. Or, nagsasolve na talaga tayo ng fraction. So, 5 divided by 5, that is 1, times negative 4, that is negative 4. 5 divided by 1, that is 5, times negative 1, that is negative 5. Okay, and then we have negative 2 minus 25, that is negative 27 over 5. Okay, and then ito, simplify lang ulit natin. Negative 4 minus 5, that is negative 9 over 5 equals negative 27 over 5. Okay? And then, dahil meron na tayo ditong whole number, tapos fraction na yung nandito, syempre, kagaya lang din na kanina, multiply the whole number to the numerator. So, 3 times negative 9, that is negative 27 over 5 equal negative 27 over 5. Are they the same? Yes, they are. Therefore, negative 2 over 5 is the solution of this equation, 3 times 2x minus 1 equal to x minus 5. Ganun lang kasimple. So, I guess that would be all for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. And I hope na may natutunan kayo sa akin on how to solve and illustrate a linear equation in one variable. Again, this lesson is for grade 7, second quarter. So, wag nyo kalimutang i-share ito sa inyong mga classmates and friends. Ayan, sa inyong family, especially sa ating mga grade 7 student over the screen. Maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like tong video, and i-hit mo na din yung notification bell down below para syempre palagi kang updated whenever na magpo-post ako ng mga math tutorials. Again, this is me, Mariel, and always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.